Nikita CY from GM University A section. Our topic is hosting portfolio in AWS and the GitHub. Submitted to Nivedita ma'am, CSA department. Next slide. These are our team members: Lakshmi.b.c, me, Nisha V. Power, and Shreya B. Yadav. Next, introduction. Amazon Web Series is a secure cloud computing platform offered by Amazon that provides on-demand IT resources such as service, storage, database, and networking analytics, AI, DevOps tools, and more, all available through the internet on pay-as-you-go basis. With AWS, organizations do not need to buy or maintain the physical hardware. Instead, they can cloud resources whenever need. Launched in 2006 by Amazon, started with simple service like S3 and EC2. Today, AWS has a 200 plus service used by the companies like Netflix, NASA, and the government organizations. Pay as you go, you only pay for the service you use, similar to paying the electricity bills. Scalability, increase or decrease computing resource instantly based on demand. Reliability, AWS data center operate in multiple regions and availability zone, giving 99% uptime. High security, end-to-end encryption favors identity access control. Global infrastructures, AWS has a service located in 26 plus regions and 84 availability zones around the world. AWS divides the world into regions, availability zone, and the edge locations. Geographical areas like Mumbai, Singapore, London. Availability zones, multiple data centers within each region. For fast content delivery, major categories of AWS service: compute service, EC2, virtual servers, Lambda, serverless computing, Elastic Beanstalk, easy app deployment, ECS, container management, storage services, S3, object storage, files, images, videos, EBS, disk storage for EC2, low cost storage, database service, RDC, SQL database, non-SQL database, data warehouse networking, VPC, virtual private cloud, Route 53 domain and DNS, CloudFront content delivery, RDN, security tools, IAM, user access management, DDoS protections, encryption keys. How AWS works: you create an AWS account, you choose the services, AWS provide that resource virtualization in seconds, you use it long as needed, you pay only for the usage. Benefit of AWS: no upfront hardware cost, fast deployment, applications can be deployed in minutes, high availability, multiple backup locations, flexibility, support Windows, Linux, Python, Java, Node, etc. Managed service, database, storage, and servers are automatically maintained by AWS. AWS on-demand cloud platform offering computing, storage, and services over the internet. Netflix runs using AWS services, stores data and manages the reservations. Facebook and Instagram use AWS cloud services. Government and banks use AWS for the secure data storage. Startups use AWS for cost-efficient hosting. Next slide.
ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಣೆ
ಅದು ಯಾರು?
ತಡಿ ಮೊದಲಾಗತ್ತೀವಿ.
Next slide will continued by Lakshmi.
I will be presenting our mini project titled Personal Portfolio Website. This project is designed to showcase our skills, projects, achievements, and resumes in a clean, professional and responsive format using HTML, CSS, and basic web design principle. A portfolio website is a personal branding tool that highlights who I am, what skills I have learned, what project I have worked on, and how to contact me. My website contains a professional home page, a clear about me section, a project section displaying my work with the images, a skill section, a downloadable resume, a contact section. The entire website is created using HTML for structure, CSS for styling and layout, images for visual enhancement, simple and clean design for easy navigation. Here is our folder structure. My portfolio. It is having index.html, style.css, and images. Images having profile.png, project1.1.png, project2.png, resume. In that we have uploaded the resume and resume.pdf. Index.html is having a main web page file. Style.css is controlling all the styles, colors, layouts, and fonts. Images contains profile picture and project screenshot. Profile.png having our profile picture and the project.png is having our project pictures. Resume content downloadable PDF resume. This clean folder organization improves maintainability and scalability of the website. Index.html. Our index.html contains the entire layout of the website, header section, navigation bar, profile photo, about me description, project grids, skill listing, resume link, footer with contact. The HTML file uses semantic tags like header, section, footer, which make the website more readable and SEO friendly. Content is divided into meaningful blocks so user can easily navigate. Project images, project1.png, project2.png are displayed with short description. Style.css. Style.css controls layouts. Layout is having page alignment, spacing between section, grid layout for project images, colors and themes. Use minimalistic color theme to maintain professionalism. Fonts and text styling. Heading, titles, buttons, and paragraphs are styled consistently. Buttons and hover effects. Interactive elements improve user experience. Responsive design. Our CSS uses media queries mentions the site is responsive and adjusts to different screen sizes like mobile and tablet. Image folder. The folder contains profile.png, our profile photo, project1.png and project2.png visual representation of our real project. This gives the website a more human and visually appealing look. Resume section explains our resume placed in resume.pdf. On our website, a button or link allows user to downloadable your resume directly. This makes the portfolio recruiter friendly. Features of our portfolio website is simple and clean user interface, easy to visitors to navigate. Professional branding includes photos, projects, skills, and resumes. Fully static website, fast, no backend required. Responsive layout works well on any devices if CSS include also. Reusable code, easy to update as I gain more skill. You can say this proudly. How to structure a web page using HTML, how to design a modern layout using CSS, how to organize a set. These are all the understanding through this project. This portfolio website reflects our technical skills and identity. It is a complete, simple, and professional solution for showcasing our profile, projects, and achievements in one place. This project strengthened my front-end development, improved our understanding and layout design, helped to check our myself professional and tech world. Here is the output of the website. It shows our profile picture and downloadable resume. Then we will get about us and the project we have done. Next, skills and the education achievements we have done. And here is a contact. They can contact us through LinkedIn, GitHub, or the email. Next, AWS account creation will be continued by Nisha.
Here I am going to tell about how to create AWS account. Step 1. Open the sign up page. Go to the AWS Amazon.com. Click create an AWS account or sign up.
Nilanam.
Enter the root AWS account. go to the AWS Amazon.com and create AWS account or sign up. Enter the root user email and choose an AWS account. Practices. Security Security step 1. Enable MFA to the root user. Go to the account name, security, credential, enable MFA. Use a visual MFA app, Google Authenticator, or a hardware MFA. Security step 2. Create an admin AIM user and groups. Open IAM user, add user. Create an admin user with AWS Management Console access and assign to an admin group with the administrator access policy. Cost control and free tier monitoring. Turn on free tier usage alert in a billing preference alerts at 85% of billing limits. Enable CloudWatch billing alerts and create AWS budget for cost threshold. Regularly checks the billing console and set an alternate email for notification. Immediate post setup checklist. Enable root MFA, then create IAM admin user and at least one non-root admin. Set up billing alters and budgets. Enable AWS Cloud Trial and configure basic CloudWatch alarm. Bookmark console and the storage credential in a secure password manager. Free tier and learning resources. AWS free tier overview what includes for a 12 months or always free. AWS hands-on tutorial and getting started labs for beginners. Common cottages and tips. Don't share root credential. Use an org email for root where possible. Register multiple MFA devices recovery. Turn on billing alerts before running workload. Use IAM and temporary credential for application. Closing and next steps. Demo. Sign up live, hands-on task, create IAM user, enable MFA, create a budget. So, sources of it. How to next slide will be continued by next will be explained by Shreya B. Yadav.
ಏನ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಲ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ
First Yadav.
ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಹೇಳು.
Now I am going to explain the hosting the portfolio on AWS website. Now we are already created an account. Now we have to sign in to the console. We have to provide our mail address. And password. Our password, we have to enter the verification code. The home page of the console will be displayed over here. Now we have to click the S3. After creating our account, start ಮಾಡಿಯಾ?
ನಾನೇ ಐತೆ.
After creating our account, we have to sign in to the console. Next, the home console page will be get displayed. And now we have to open the S3 service. I'm already created a bucket of my portfolio. For that, we have to create an S3 service over here. And we have to disable the block public access required for making our website publicly accessible. And we have to upload the folder of our portfolio like HTML page, CSS page, and images were what we have used and our resume, which we made a project. And we have to enable the static website hosting in the bucket. Like we have to turn on the static website hosting button and we have to set index.html as a default document. And after adding a bucket, apply a JSON policy to allow the public read access. Access the website after clicking index.html. Here the URL will be displayed. So this URL we have to copy. The URL will be host our my portfolio like this. Like this, we have to host our portfolio in the AWS website. Why we have to use AWS website on S3 means it is a globally available, highly reliable, and very fast loading, and no servers are required. And we have to pay only for what we have used, and best for static sites like portfolios. And next, how we have to host in GitHub pages.
Where is
Repository. First, we have to create our new repository over here. And we have to give the repository name like my portfolio. And provide a sufficient 350 characters of description over here and turn on the readme. Now here we have to add the file. Of index.html, my portfolio and style.ts. We have to all upload all the images and resume over here. And next we have to commit the changes what we have done till now. And here our portfolio hosted in the link GitHub pages. Because GitHub, why we have to host on the GitHub pages means it is 100% free hosting and perfect for portfolios and student projects. And to get a placement or something else, it's very mandatory. It is highly secure and automatically updates when you push the code. And it also editable option is there in this GitHub. Easy integration with GitHub workflows. Using AWS for professional grade hosting, cloud learning, and deployment practice, and use of GitHub pages for students, open source projects, and showcasing the code. Like this, we have to host our portfolio in the AWS website and also in the GitHub pages. And next will be continued by Likita.
AWS Web Series is a powerful and reliable cloud computing platform that helps individuals and organizations run applications without investing in expensive hardware. With its wide range of services like EC2, S3, RDS, VPC, and Lambda, AWS provides flexible, scalable, and cost efficient solutions for every type of business. Its global infrastructure high security, and pay as you go pricing make it one of the most trusted cloud platforms in the world. Overall, AWS enables faster deployment, better performance, and easy of managing IT resources make it preferred choice for modern and cloud computing. Thank you.